Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul. Quite a lot of stuff to show you. I also have just a few things from Dollar General that I picked up recently that I want to just throw in here. So I'll go ahead and show you all those things first. So I went in there looking for the new makeup line that they have. I'm sure you've all heard about it. It's called Believe Beauty. So I went ahead and just picked up two of the palettes to try out. And I picked up this one in Golden Disco. I love the colors. And then I also picked up this one called Into the Blue. And I've been really getting into like more blue shadows lately. So they look really pretty. These were $5 each. Everything in this line is $5 or less, which is really awesome. So I'm excited to play with these and see how well they work. Okay, the next thing I picked up, I came across a few things. I'm looking around like I'm losing my brain. Okay, the next thing I picked up was this little floral arrangement, and I thought this was adorable, and I'm going to put this in my guest bathroom downstairs. And it looks like this. It just says relax, yeah, relax, refresh, and I just love, I thought it was adorable. And this was originally $5, but it was 40% off, I believe. I think it was $3. I think I paid $3 for it. So yeah, I thought that was really cute. And then I also picked up this little shelf on clearance because I actually went into Dollar Tree looking for this as well as the makeup, and I'm glad I found one of these left. This was originally $6, and it just says love. I thought that was really cute. And I got this for 40% off as well. I think it was like $4 or $3.50, something like that. But yeah, I thought this was really adorable. And I think I might spray paint the basket gold. I'm not sure yet, but either way, it's adorable, and I was really glad that they still had a couple of those left so I could grab one. And then the last thing I picked up from Dollar General was this adorable heart pom-pom keychain. I couldn't leave it behind, even though it was $2. I know they had similar ones like this at Dollar Tree, but this was so cute, and I love the shade of pink that it was, so I had to grab that. So that was everything from Dollar General. I just wanted to pick up this bag, and the handle ripped. Okay, so the first thing I grabbed in Dollar Tree were these new wall art decor things. I thought they were really cute. They have succulents on them, and I think these might go in my guest bathroom as well because it's kind of like the theme I want to go for. The first one I picked up looks like this. How pretty is that? Love the colors. And then the second one looks like this. And I think they only had 3 different patterns. These were the only ones that I found in my store. And then this last one looks like this, and it's the only one with lettering on it. It says life is beautiful. So I thought those were so cute, and I can't wait to put them up in my bathroom. Okay, some more like new decor. I found these little like box things. Yeah, but they're really cute, and I'm going to be doing a DIY with mine. I got 3 different sizes, these 2, and then this one. They had 2 of this size with 2 different patterns, but I only grabbed 1. So I think I'm going to actually glue these together and paint them and, you know, change them up some, and I'm gonna try to hang these on the wall actually and use them as like a little shelf display for, you know, whatever I want. So I thought that was a really cool idea. Okay, a few stationery items in this bag. You guys, I came across this pen and I could not leave it behind. I was obsessed with like teddy bears and things when I was a child, so I couldn't leave it behind. Look how cute this pen is, you guys. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh my god, I could not leave that behind. And of course they had it in different colors, but you know, I had to get the pink one. Even has little feet under there. So adorable. And I did use this to write with already, and it actually works really nice, so I thought that was too cute. Okay, and then next I picked up this little 3-pack of notebooks, and I thought these were just like the perfect size to stick in my purse. And yeah, I thought the designs were really cute. They're like unicorn related, of course. So that's what this one looks like. And the back looks like this. It says magic is all around. And then, I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's what the third notebook will look like. So they're all unicorn related, and I thought they were super cute, and I love the colors of them. So I had to grab those for my purse. Okay, another pom-pom keychain, but this one's from Dollar Tree, of course. They came out with a bunch more of these ones in all different colors. So of course I grabbed the pink one, you know me. So I love anything with pom-pom on it. It's just super cute. Okay, these next two items I picked up for my kitchen. The first one is just this little trinket pot. And I got this color because it was, you know, the color that I'm gonna have a lot in my kitchen. Teal and pink are like my accent colors for the kitchen. So I picked this up, and then I also picked up one of the little succulents because I'm actually gonna take it out of this and put it in here, and then this will just sit on like my windowsill or something. So I thought that was really cute. It took me like 3 or 4 different times of picking this up and putting it down to finally buy it, because I didn't want to pay a full $1 for this, you know. I feel like these should be 2 for $1, but I finally grabbed this one because this was like the only one left that was mostly just green. I didn't want anything that had like orange or red or any other colors on it, so I finally just said what the hell and grabbed it. And then next for my kitchen, I grabbed this little pure tea leaf candle by Old Williamsburg, and I just thought it was really cute. We also have a little bit of gray throughout the kitchen as well, so I thought this would be really cute on my coffee bar. Or we have like a pass-through in the wall that divides our living room and our kitchen, so it's like a big open area, and there's like a ledge that I, you know, kind of decorate, so I could either stick this there or on the coffee bar or anywhere in the kitchen really. So, and it smells nice. It smells like tea. I don't know what kind of tea, but it smells like tea. Okay, next, this isn't really exciting, but I needed some of this. I mean, I'm going to use this for dusting. This is furniture polish, but they didn't have anything that was specifically for dusting. So, I read this, and it says it cleans away dust, dirt, fingerprints, and smudges from wooden surfaces. So, I mean, most of our furniture is wooden anyway, so I figured this will work just fine. And this is the orange scent. They also had a lemon one, but I like orange a little better than lemon. Okay, next I came across this really cool book. It's Surprise Yourself, Get Out of Your Head and Into the World by Lisa Curry. It looks like this, and it's like an activity book. And I thought this looked really fun. I think my boyfriend and I might do some of these together for our new channel that we have. If you guys haven't checked that out yet, I'll have the link below or in the card up here somewhere. But yeah, these are really cool. Like this first page is, you know, has you going outside and following this map, and then just kind of writing down what you see on, you know, throughout your neighborhood and stuff. And I just thought this was really cool. Like this one is complete a jigsaw puzzle, or find your own hideaway. Keep your eyes peeled for a place you can escape to whenever you need some time to yourself, away from everyday life, somewhere to sit, collect your thoughts, maybe read a book. It could be a tucked away park bench, a shady tree to lie under, or the quietest corner of your local library. Go for a walk, see what you can find. So it kind of gives you 2 different options, and you can write the pros and cons of each one. I just think this is so cool. So I got one of these for me and my boyfriend to do together, and then I also picked up a second one because I think I'm going to save this. I think this will be a really cute Christmas gift for my sister and brother-in-law to do with their son. I think this would be really fun. Okay, next I grabbed 2 packs of these little Crush Yum Jiggly Pals because I'm a child, you guys know this. But I had to get this one because of the cute little cat that's in it. So cute, and I've been dying to open these, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these actually. Oh my god, they're so cute, and they stretch. Oh my god, that is so cute. Look at him. Oh god, I cannot. And then this one is like a little teddy bear, I guess. How cute is that? Oh my lord. Okay, and then this one has a little panda and a little unicorn. So there's the panda. Oh my god, these are so cute. And the unicorn. Oh, you guys, I almost want to go back and just get the rest of them, because I was looking for on the back of the pack, and I just ripped both of them. So Let me see if I can show you. On the back of the pack, it shows a gray kitten. I was looking for that one, as well as this like little, let me see here. I ripped the pack. I should have showed you guys before I ripped it. There's like a little cloud here, and then a little koala bear. So none of my Dollar Trees had either of those. Even this little chick right here. It's adorable. And they're sticky. Oh, I can't even. Why am I like this? Okay. Next couple things. I have been seeing these barrettes come back in style, and I have been kind of living for it, you guys. So I just grabbed a bunch of different packs so I'd have a variety of colors. These first three are from the Scoonchy brand. This first one is just like different browns and some glittery ones here. And I think it's so cute when they like, you know, part their hair and like put a couple in the side here, either a ponytail or with their hair down. I don't know, I just think it looks really cute, so I'm gonna jump on that bandwagon. This next pack looks like this, kind of like a corally color, a blue, a white, and a gray. And then this last Scoonchy pack is just all black ones, but the two in the middle here are glittery. And then this next pack is just the Dollar Tree brand, and this one's actually a better deal because you get 14 barrettes instead of 6. Oh wait, I didn't even notice these two only have 6, and this one actually has 8. But this Dollar Tree brand one has 14, and these are just really colorful ones, so you can match them with your outfits and stuff. So I just thought, you know, why not? Okay, next I came across these really nice looking Main Street Wall Creations is the brand, I guess. And they are just these peel and stick removable wall tiles. They look like this, and these are gonna go somewhere in my kitchen. We have like a soffit above our cabinets, so I think I might just put a few of these up there because this is like the perfect size. But I love this. Hopefully you guys can tell that it's like a coppery kind of, yeah, like a coppery kind of color, and then like all of this color in here is like a teal. So these are gonna match my kitchen perfectly, and I could not believe Dollar Tree has something like this. Like, come on, Dollar Tree, I see you. They also had another one that looked like tile almost, and it was like a gray and black and white kind of theme. Those were really nice too. I almost got a couple of those because they would work somewhere in my bedroom or in my upstairs bathroom, but I didn't get any of those, so maybe I'll go back and get some. Okay, a few more wall art decor pieces. I grabbed these really pretty like marble plaques, and this one says follow your dreams. I thought these were so nice. I'm really getting into like the marble type of things, of decor and things. I actually just put some marble paper on top of my makeup drawers over here, and I love how it looks. But anyway, the second one says make this moment, and these were like the two nicest ones I could find. They had all kinds of different sayings, but a lot of the ones at my store were like scratched up, or like the edges were like torn or something, so I just grabbed those two. Plus I don't have a lot of wall space anyway, so I'm probably gonna do like an updated room tour because a lot has changed since the last time I uploaded one. So yeah, and you guys will see how covered my walls are. I just have stuff everywhere. I like my room to look like a museum. I don't like any empty space. I like looking at pretty things, you know, cute things. So you guys will see in that upcoming video. I'll probably film that here within, you know, the next month or so. Okay, next I have a couple packs of fake nails. Sorry, I was making sure it was still recording. These first ones are so cute, and these are the sassy and chic ones. I got two of the same just so I have extra if I needed them. But look how cute these are, you guys. They're like little, it's like a silhouette of a princess. Isn't that adorable? So like I said, I got two of those so I'd have extra. And then these next ones are from LA Colors, and I got two of these as well. And these are both 12 pieces, so you kind of almost need to get 2 packs in case, you know, you lose one. That way you have one to replace it, because that actually happened with the last pack that I got. I ended up having to go back and get another pack because I lost a couple of nails. But anyway, these look like this. I think they're kind of like a taupe or like a gray color with like pink and white lines. Hopefully you guys can tell. but I thought these were adorable, and I liked that these were already short because I had to cut the other ones down. I don't like my nails real long. Plus these have been popping off like crazy, you guys. I'm pretty sure I've glued each one of these nails back on at least 3 or 4 times. So I don't know if you guys have a trick of, you know, how you can get your nails to stay glued on longer. Like I even filed my nail a little bit to make it a little more rough so the glue would stick better, and it still didn't seem to help. So I don't know, if you guys have any tips, let me know. Okay, and the last thing in this bag are just these blank note cards from Hallmark. I thought these were adorable. And of course I got my girl Alicia one, because we're pretty much the same person when it comes to, you know, the things we like. We have the same taste and things, so I definitely had to get her one. I thought those were so cute, and they come with 6, and like I said, they're just blank inside, so you can write whatever message you'd like. Okay, next couple things I grabbed to kind of do a DIY with, and I saw someone else do this on Instagram, and I don't remember who it is, but just know that this wasn't my idea. There's somebody out there who did this first, but I really love the idea, so I went ahead and grabbed one of these decorative cake trays from like the wedding section, or like where all the clear, you know, kind of this kind of stuff is, like the party stuff, I guess you could say. So I grabbed one of these, and then I also grabbed one of these candlesticks because I'm going to make a cake stand. How cute is that gonna look? I'll probably use some E6000 to glue these together so that they're nice and sturdy, and I will probably end up spray painting it too, but I think that's gonna look so cute on my kitchen counter with some cupcakes on it or something. Okay, we're almost through it, guys. Next thing is this adorable hat. How cute is this for summer, you guys? And they also have this in like a teal blue background as well. Well, you know me in the pink. Let me see if I can get this on over my bun. Probably not. Nope. But this is so cute for summer, you guys. I cannot wait to wear this. I don't wear a lot of hats because, like, I forget I have them. So I need to start wearing them. Okay, next I grabbed another one of these little decorative boxes. I had picked up one that was a little bigger. This is the smaller size. I just wanted to get this so I could stack them, you know, for decor, make them look cute. And I went ahead and took the bow off the other one. I might leave it on this one since it'll be sitting on top of the other one anyway, so I don't know. I thought it was so pretty. I love how iridescent it is, so I had to grab that. Okay, and the last few things, they're just the Breezy oh, these are fabric softener sheets. Is that the same as dryer sheets? I guess so. Anyway, I grabbed 2 boxes of these. I usually get the purple box of the Breezy dryer sheets, but these smell so good as well. So, and there's 55 of them, so that's a good deal. And these are great for $1, you guys. These work just as well as name brand. I do like to use 2 of these in the dryer though, just to make sure they do, you know, make my clothes smell good. But yeah, for $1 you can't beat it. The last thing, probably the most boring thing in this haul, just some eye drops, because I don't know why, but my eyes have been like so dry and itchy lately. So I'm really hoping that this helps. So they're just the Medic's Choice eye drops, relieves dry eyes, lubricates and soothes. So give these a try and hopefully they will help. But yeah, that was everything, guys. That was a pretty large haul and we flew through it as usual. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and saw some things that you were interested in finding, and I really hope that you can find them. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And like I mentioned before, I will work on my updated room tour, and possibly once I get everything reorganized and doing a little more decluttering, I'll probably end up doing an updated makeup collection as well. So give me a thumbs up if you guys are interested in seeing any of those. But thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay. I have quite a bit. These were God, I'm full of hot air. Expressions from Hallmark, 6 notes, 6 Who do I think I am?